Today for meal prep, I'm going to show you how to make some low-carb Big Mac burritos. To start out, you're just going to want to brown some ground beef in a skillet along with some onion and some Worcestershire sauce. While that's cooking, shred up some cheddar cheese, then you're going to make your special sauce. I am making mine with Greek yogurt as a base to lighten it up. Now you'll grab a sheet of cut-to-carb flatbread, layer on some cheese, some of the ground beef, some of the special sauce, and some diced pickles. Tuck the edges and roll into a burrito. Then these are going to bake until they're golden. I like to wrap these in foil to store them and then just reheat them as I need. When I serve them up, I add some shredded lettuce and some more special sauce. This is so good and I hope y'all enjoy.
Get mouth-watering, drool-worthy, heavenly, keto breakfast, lunch, dinner and dessert recipes ebook for free.